You're standing in a pitch-black room. You can't see your hand in front of your face, but sitting on a desk in the corner, a standard Wi-Fi router is mapping your exact posture, your movements, and your breathing. In March 2026, researchers at MIT's Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory published a method that weaponizes everyday Wi-Fi signals for advanced spatial perception. By interpreting ambient radio waves, the passive internet infrastructure we've built into every home and office now functions as an active vision system capable of stripping away physical barriers. Radio waves pass through drywall and wood, but they reflect off denser objects, like a human body, the way light reflects off a mirror. This is called specularity. Because the waves bounce in a single direction, a receiver typically only catches the front surface, leaving the back of an object invisible. To solve this, the MIT team introduced conditional diffusion models. These AI models take the fragmented, noisy reflections and predict the missing geometry, intelligently filling in the hidden sides of an object to create a complete 3D reconstruction. When radio waves bounce around a room, they strike walls and furniture before finally returning to the sensor. Traditional radar systems filter out these secondary bounces, or ghost signals, as useless noise. The MIT AI actively tracks these ghosts. By analyzing how these secondary reflections shift as a human moves, the system reverse engineers the layout of the space, mapping both the moving person and the static furniture. By combining these two techniques, predicting shapes and mapping room layouts, the system provides reliable spatial context. This allows robots to navigate and interact with objects in environments where traditional cameras and light-based sensors are useless. You can think of this process like echolocation. A Wi-Fi router floods a room with invisible radio waves that bounce off walls and bodies, much like a bat emitting sound in a dark cave to listen for the echoes. When those waves hit a person, they scatter. Because of specularity, the signal that returns to the receiver is highly degraded. It looks like a sparse, broken point cloud of disconnected dots rather than a recognizable human. To teach the AI to understand these fragments, scientists use crossmodal supervision. They feed the neural network matched pairs of data, the messy Wi-Fi dots on one side and a high-resolution 3D camera mesh of the person on the other. The AI acts as a detective, studying millions of these pairs until it learns the exact mathematical correlations between specific radio reflections and the physical movement of a human limb. Once trained, the camera is removed. The AI looks up the radio static, enforces physical rules like joint mechanics, and fills in the blanks to reconstruct a complete, high-fidelity 3D mesh of the human. The true breakthrough isn't a better Wi-Fi router, it's an AI that has learned a completely new sense. Basic Wi-Fi sensing is already used for simple elder care and security. However, this high-fidelity 3D reconstruction is still in the laboratory prototype phase. Taking this to market requires solving two hurdles: the immense computing power needed to run these AI models locally on a robot, and the signal interference found in noisy, real-world industrial environments. This tech competes with ultra-wideband radar and optical lasers, but those alternatives are highly expensive or completely blocked by sealed boxes and thick walls. The MIT breakthrough is significant because it is accessible. It proves that a $30 consumer router can achieve imaging results that previously required specialized military hardware. In the home, this technology acts as an invisible nurse. It can detect if an elderly parent falls or monitor their heart rate during sleep without the indignity of placing cameras in a bedroom or bathroom. It also enables hyper-aware automation, tracking occupancy to save energy, or allowing you to control devices with gestures through walls, eliminating the need for handheld VR controllers. But these same capabilities create an inescapable surveillance network. Because it doesn't use a lens, it bypasses our natural caution. A router blinking in a rental property could be mapping the room without you ever knowing you are being watched. The system can track a person's unique gait, log breathing patterns, and monitor private behaviors entirely through solid walls. This creates a legal gray area. Current privacy laws often focus on audio recording or optical photography. Interpreting radio frequencies doesn't technically fit the legal definition of a search in many jurisdictions. You cannot step out of the frame of a radio wave. Anyone entering a building equipped with a modern router is instantly and involuntarily mapped. Blocking this tracking is difficult. Signal jamming is illegal and would destroy your own internet connection. Instead, researchers are developing algorithmic defenses. Physical layer scrambling hides your data in mathematical static, while other devices inject ghosts, fake human signatures that hide your actual movements in a crowd of digital decoys. There is also adversarial poisoning, where small devices broadcast low-power radio hums that force the spying AI to misidentify humans as stationary furniture or hallucinate incorrect shapes. As the Wi-Fi signals in our walls become sophisticated sensors, the boundary between connectivity and surveillance is disappearing. For more deep dives into the physics of AI, subscribe to KYC AI Labs.